Lecture 1. Opening Premiere Pro for the first time. Hey, welcome to your very first step into the exciting world of video editing with Adobe Premiere Pro. This lecture is all about helping you build comfort. If you have never opened a video editing software before, you might feel a bit overwhelmed by all the buttons and panels, and that's completely normal. In this lecture, you will learn what Adobe Premiere Pro is, how to download and install it, and we will take our very first look at the interface together. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand what Adobe Premiere Pro is and why it's used. Download and install Premiere Pro using the Adobe Creative Cloud platform. Launch Premiere Pro for the first time on your computer. What is Adobe Premiere Pro? Adobe Premiere Pro is a professional video editing software used by filmmakers, YouTubers, and content creators all over the world. Whether you are editing short reels or long videos, it has all the tools you need. Downloading and installing Premiere Pro. Step 1. Visit the Adobe website. Open your browser and go to www.adobe.com and press enter. Step 2. Sign in or create an Adobe ID. If you already have an Adobe ID, just sign in. If not, click on the sign in button at the top right. Then select create an account option and follow the instructions to create your account. Step 3. Find Premiere Pro. Once you are signed in, click on apps. Here you can see Premiere Pro, but free trial version is not available because I have already tried Adobe Premiere Pro. Step 4. Start your free trial. You might be asked to enter payment details, but don't worry, you won't be charged during the 7-day trial period. Step 5. Download the Creative Cloud app. After starting your trial, you will be prompted to download the Adobe Creative Cloud app. Go ahead and install it on your computer. Step 6. Install Premiere Pro. Open the Creative Cloud app, then go to the Apps tab, find Premiere Pro and click Install. Step 7. Launch Premiere Pro. Once the installation is complete, launch Premiere Pro either from the Creative Cloud app or your computer's application folder. First, look at the interface. Once Premiere Pro is installed, open it. Don't worry if it looks complicated. We will walk through the launch screen together. You will see the home screen, a button for new project. Now that you have successfully opened Premiere Pro and taken your first look around, you are no longer a beginner. You have officially taken the first step. The interface might seem complex at first, but don't worry. As we move forward, you will learn how each panel, button, and tool fits into the editing process. For now, just remember, every great video editor started exactly where you are, by opening the program for the very first time.